that alone and meditating in grief on the times that passed, I wandered through the gloomsome shades of Ostia, her low wilderness of lens and glaze, when suddenly a thrilling strain of song broke forth upon the air in one incessant flow. Sweeter it seemed to me than harmony of the harp or a carol of the bird, for it foretold fair freedom's triumph and the doom of the wrong. The celestial hymns and anthems that follow the sound of the sea come to Eirè from the temples of right bosomed Italy. The music which from hallowing the wrath the playful fairy race tore on the wandering warrior's path, bewildering him with wonder and delight. Or the cuckoo's full note from some green sunless place, some sunken thicket in a stilly wood, had less than that rich melody made my Irish blood bound in its veins for ecstasy, or given my soul new might. And while as I stood I listened, behold, thousands swarm of bees all arrayed in gay gold armor shone red through the dusky trees. I felt a boding in my soul, a truthful boding too, that Erin's days of gloom and dole will soon be but remembered as a dream, and the old glory show eclipsed by the new, where the usurper then be banished far, where his vile hireling henchmen slaughtered all in war, for blood shall rill down every hill and blacken every stream. I am Heffernan of Sherwood Hill, my land mourns enthralled and wrong, and I see but one sad sight here, the weak trampled by the strong. Yet if tomorrow underneath the burial stone I lay clasped in the skeleton arms of death, and if a pilgrim wind again should waft over my noblest grave the song I heard today, revivified, reborn, a living soul again, as on my birthday morn. I, even though coffined